Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. In the previous video we have discussed about ellipse, right? In this video we are going to discuss about while loops. Firstly, what is a loop? Loops are commands which are used when we want to execute a block of code repeatedly. Python has two loop commands, while loops and for loops. Now in this video we are going to discuss about while loops. Let me define while loops. In Python, while loops are used to execute a block of statement repeatedly until given condition is satisfied. And when the condition becomes false, the line immediately after the loop in the program is executed. Okay, see the syntax and block diagram to understand clearly. First, syntax of while loop. See, while expression colon, and inside while loop statements. As long as the expression is true, return the statement. See the block diagram. Enter into while loop, text expression. As text expression is true, body of while executed, and again go to check the text expression is. As text expression is true, again execute the body of while. This process is going on until text expression is false. Exit the while loop. Like this, the operation of while loop is done. Now I will explain with an example, that is code for printing 1 to 10 numbers using while loop. Let me open my text editor, Sublime. Okay, I'm taking a variable a is equal to 1 and while a is less than or equal to 10 colon, this is condition, print a. If you know C, C++ or Java, we have to increment this. In other languages we use a++ like this, but in Python does not support it like this. In Python we use a plus is equal to 1. We also use a is equal to a plus 1, but I use this one only. Okay, and now I'm going to execute this in my CMD. I'm going to save this. Okay, this is my directory. My code is in program1.py. So first I'm clear this and program1.py. See the numbers from 1 to 10 and see here how this will be printed. I'm going to explain this. A is equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 10. This is true, right? Then print the 1, here 1 printed, and a plus is equal to 1, that is incremented. Now a value is 2, 2 is less than or equal to 10, and print 2, so print a 2 value is printed. Like this, a is next a plus is equal to 1, a value is 3, 3 less than or equal to 10, 3 value printed. Like this, keep on going until a is equal to 10, 10 less than or equal to 2, 10 it is equal to, right, then it will become 2. Thus then 10 value is printed and a plus is equal to 1. Now a value becomes 11, 11 less than or equal to 10, this is false, then stop the execution. Like this, it is executed. I want to give you an assignment, friends. Write a code to print letters in your name one after the other in vertically, like this. My name is Basha, that's why B A S H A vertically. Like this, our output should be your name in vertical direction. That's your assignment. Comment your code below the comment box. I will discuss the answer of this question in next video. In the next video, I will also discuss to use break, continue and else in while loop. Okay, that's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like my video, please hit the like button. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.